Sound of Madness.
I don't know what the Sound of Madness is.
Probably an alarm bell.
It's the dude that spend all the money.
A combination of people from North London that got together in the mid to late 70s and came up with a
Cacophony of music, noise, clothes, dressing up, having fun, arguing. What's up, Chris?
It's kind of like a bit of S Club 7 with, steps.
Sort of all about the keyboards really, Madness, and a bit of a backing band around me. I've got a singer back there somewhere, drummer somewhere at the back.
It's fundamentally great drumming, and with a load of old nonsense on top, really.
Oh, someone hitting a fire extinguisher, actually.
The hills are alive with the sound of madness.
So please, ladies and gentlemen,
join Madness on the Sound of Madness tour.
The hills will well and truly be alive.
That's why we really need shirts then. Yeah? We're doing a tour.
You know what they wear underneath the Scotchman's kilt? Nothing compared to this.